Hi, in this video we are going to see how to fit the text to path in Coreldraw. So in my previous videos you would have learned how to use the basic shapes in Coreldraw and how to design a simple logo. And with this option you could also design a simple logo that is used using the text, as well as this is useful in designing the birthday cards, visiting cards and every invitations also. So come, let's go inside the video. So now I'm going to insert one more page by clicking this plus symbol, and I will zoom for you. And once again I'm going to now draw a circle using the ellipse tool, which is available in this toolbox. So either we could click this ellipse tool or press F7 shortcut key. So once you click the ellipse tool, the mouse pointer changes to this icon. To get a perfect circle to be drawn, you have to press the control key from the keyboard and click your leftmost button and drag the mouse to get a perfect circle. And once you got a circle, you could resize the shapes and whatever do, and you could also move your circle. And now I am going to type my text what I want. So for that purpose, I have to click the text tool in the toolbox. So let's type the text. So I have typed the text on my path, the text I have selected. And once you select this text option and go to the menu text bar, click and you will find an option called Fit Text to Path option. So just click the option, your mouse pointer changes to this shape, and once you bring this arrow mark over your object, see, you will find your text has been brought here, and you will be able to, once you move the mouse pointer, it will be changing its shapes and it will be circling, and you may also bring it inside the circle also, and not over the outline. You could also drag it inside. It will also indicate the distance between the object and the text. So I want just to put over the outline. Just when you click once in the mouse, the text will be placed on the circle path, and you will find a red color node here. Using this node, you will be able to do whatever you want. See, if I want to bring it inside, I could bring it, or if I want to move it outside some distance apart, I could do it. And also using these keys, you could spread your text like this. You may change the orientation also. Okay, now let us see the properties for this option. See, once you click, you will find these options here. So this is the option called text orientation. So it is used to change the orientation of the text. See how it changes drastically. Okay, so this is also one of the options, and you could also, when you resize the circle, the text path also adjust according to that. And you may also fill any colors also over the text as well as inside the circle. So not only we may use the circle option, we may also use the rectangle tool also. See, now I am clicking the rectangular tool from the toolbox and click and drag a rectangle, and I am filling it with green. And now I am not going to type my text previously. Before that, you could do directly also. For that, you should select the rectangle and go to the text menu bar, click, and you will find the option Fit Text to Path is active. Though you have not typed any text, you could use this option also. Just click this text. Your mouse pointer came over here over the rectangle, and you could type whatever you want. See, graphic designing using Corel draw to fit text to the path. So you may see how my text fits to the rectangular shape. So not only the ellipse, rectangle, whatever shape polygon shape you are taking, you will be useful. And moreover, there is a property called mirror text. We are having two options, mirror horizontally and mirror vertically option. When you click mirror horizontally, see, when you place a mirror over the text horizontally, what shape will be getting, that will be viewed. And when you are clicking the mirror vertically, so it goes inside this. So whatever shape you want, you could do over it. And you may also change the font colors. So whatever color you want, you could place over that also. And the same way I told you, when you click the red node, you could also change or make it apart from the rectangular tool also. So this is one of the shape. And not only we use the basic shapes to fit in the text path, we are going to use one more interesting tool. Let me show, which is called the freehand tool. The freehand tool is similar to a pencil mark. So when you use our pencil to draw freely, in the same way we are going to use this pencil mark. See? So I have used this, and now you could adjust or resize the shape. Okay. And now we could also make our text to fit in this curved path also. So you have to select the curved path and go to the text menu bar and click the fit text to path. See, my mouse pointer changes over the curve also. To fit text. Okay, so you could also change the colors over here by clicking this color menu, and as well as you could extend this also to flow beautifully over the curve. And if suppose I want to change my text, that is I want to edit my text also, I could do that. So just select the text and go to the text option, text menu bar. You will be finding an option called edit text, or you could use Ctrl plus Shift plus T from the keyboard. When you click, your text appears. So in this, so I am changing my web designing the text to graphic designing to fit text on path. I have edited a text and I have added some more text also, and I am selecting OK. So you may feel, see how it changes. And you may also use the text orientation to do all the changes also, that will be reflecting. So this is this may be used to design more and more text designed logos, text design matters using Coreldraw option. And next we are going to see one more option in which we have now used, you have so far seen what all the shapes we have done and curved shapes also. Now I am going to use a picture. I am going to import an image to this Coreldraw and make you to fit the text on the path also. So let us watch that. So for that, now I am going to bring an image inside the Coreldraw. So in order to bring an image, you have to select the file option. In that you are having an option called import or Ctrl plus I key. Okay. So when you select the import, you could find a dialog box over here, and I am having more number of pictures, and I am going to select this picture. Okay, so now I have selected a mountain range picture over here, and we are going to fit a text over this also. So what we have to do is, now I am going to use a tool called bends your tool, which is available in the toolbox. Within the freehand tool, you will be finding the second tool. So you have to click this. Your mouse pointer will be changing in this shape. So click from this place and you move the mouse pointer and make one more click, and move the mouse pointer, make one more click, click one more, and you are going to click over here, and you would move the shape whatever place. So as we done in the freehand tool, we are going to click. I am just clicking the leftmost button over here, and when you end it, just double click it and select the pick tool. So now I have selected this mountain range. Now I am going to add text to this also. So the same way you are done for the previous one, you are going to select the text menu bar, click, and you are going to click the fit text to path. And I am selecting a color initially itself, and see how my text falls over this. See, wow. So it's very interesting, and once you have selected, you may be able to move here or there, and whatever you drag you will be getting, and you will be selecting the text orientation tool also to fit whatever text you want. See, so not only inside the shapes that we have drawn using the Coreldraw, we may also import an picture from outside world, and we may add our text to that also. So in here also, when you select this, you will find this red tool, and you may bring down the mountain range also, or move up the mountain range also. So whatever thing you could do, you can do this. Okay, now let us see one small design over here. So I am going to draw a circle, copy the circle, paste it over here, and one more star shape, so which is available inside this polygon tool. I am going to fill it with yellow, and I am going to fill my smaller circle with the blue, or with green, and my larger circle with blue. And now I am going to select this second, that is smaller circle. I am going to select this smaller circle I have selected, and I am going to select the text tool and fit the text to path. So let's select the color also. So this is, I have selected this tool, graphic designing, to fit text. Okay. So once you have selected, you could move. So I have moved. See, this is also one type of logo design, and you could change whatever shape you want and whatever you want to do. This is a simple logo design using the circle, star shape, and I have fitted the circle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will do this and try this and make it successfully. And finally, you want to save this file. So for that purpose, go to the file menu, and there is an option called save, and the save dialog box will be appearing, and you have to write your name here, what you have designed. So fit text path, and the default save type of the Coreldraw extension is CD or file. So just click save, and your file gets saved. Thank you.